Good morning, it's Dr. A again in the garden. I'm sure you're getting bored of this place. For those of you in Ohio and Michigan and the Northeast that are under snow, I apologize. Don't forget, I'm an old Canadian boy. I know what you're going through. But every now and then I think I'm living in an old farmhouse because of all the cool plants that just come up. Old daylilies and roses. But oh my, I gotta show you this rose one more time. I hope you can see it. This is Lady Banks Rose, and it is going up to the sky. It's an overcast, crappy day here, but old Lady Banks, she's doing pretty well. I think she's probably 30 feet tall now, and comes right down to the ground. And she is pretty spectacular. Color doesn't show it, but it's a beautiful yellow rose, no thorns, and it just makes the place at this time of year. Anyway, I'm sorry about this for those of you under snow, but when you have a chance, come see me. Have a good day.